Hello and welcome to another game of EA Sports FIFA 07. I'm Clive Tilsey, co-commentator here is Andy Gray.
All right, Clive, it's good to be here, yep.
The draw for the cup always throws up one of these. No other competition could put these two teams on the same pitch together. It's a mismatch on paper, isn't it, Andy?
Well, it is on paper, Clive, but I've never known a game won on paper. I'm going to be wanting that green thing out in front of you and I, and there might be a few twists and turns today.
Got it back. Has a shot! One or two of his teammates telling him what they think of that. He's just keeping his head down.
Well, that's what separates the best from the rest. You get chances like that, you really have to take them. He hasn't there.
It's a fine header. Must score, mustn't he? He's tidied things up, made the clearance. Might float it in here. They win possession back then. Can't let it get away from him. Trying to come out with the ball. Shooting chance here. Look at this, they've not picked him up. Corner kick. Good finish, straight into the bottom corner.
Well, he's not going to miss from there, this guy. He's too good for that. That close, half a chance, it's normally in.
What a superb finish! He really finished it in style. And away we go, 1-0. They're back on the ball now. He really got stuck in there, won it well. Decent header. It's not just his skill, it's his balance. Begging to be hit. That will be a throw-in. Turn out of harm's way. He can look after himself when the ball's in the air. And they've got it back. Trying to get in behind the defenders. Loses the ball. Is this the chance? Vital tackle. Goal kick. Good football from the defender. Can't hold it. Goal!
I always say that the second goal in a football match is the most important. If you get it and go 2-0 up, you can be cruising. That's just what's happened.
He never seems to fail to hit the target. There had to be goals in this one. It's now 2-0. Nice touch. Stringing their passes together nicely here. Here's a good header of the ball. Well, the ref looked to play advantage there, but they couldn't take it, so he stopped play now.
I always think it's so important that they work the goalkeeper from here.
Oh, is it? No, just wide.
Now, set plays are so important that you've got to do better than that.
Good header. Oh, he got his body in the way of that shot very well. That's a well-timed challenge. Wasn't about to let him past. Oh, can he get a shot in? Couldn't put a single question mark about the fitness and physical condition of these players. Just so little space. The first 45 minutes ends with the score at 2-0.
They've controlled the match for most of it. Half-time's come at the wrong time for them, but they should be able to pick it up in the second half and go on. Certainly that's what the manager will be telling them.
Important tackle. Rescued by the keeper.
I think this is some of the best defending I've seen. They're compact, they're organised, they're disciplined. They really are top defence.
Just got to get past the last defender. Put it away, Kenny. Good reactions from the keeper. That's good from the keeper. Starting to get into a passing rhythm here. Oh, wide awake there. Very alert. Neither of them is going to pull out of that one. Free kick given.
Well, these defenders really are a collective tower of strength.
Needs to shoot. Just got a hand on it. And that will be nothing more than a goal kick. That's their first substitution of the match. It was a brave header. He's made some shooting space. He's one of those defenders who loves to get his foot in. Now there's something on here. Oh yes, it's there!
Well, this boy's a predator. It's as simple as that.
He is a truly two-footed player. He can score goals with either. Putting themselves in a very good position. 3-0 is the score. The opposition come away here. Fine tackle. So that's out for a throw. And not one, but two changes being made there by the manager. What a tackle that was, and when it really mattered. There's a chance to cross it. Who's he picked out? Yes, did well to win it back there. Just wide.
Well, I think I might have scored that because it was a wonderful chance. But he hasn't taken it. What a miss.
What a goal!
Oh, he'd be so disappointed. He looked like he was heading for another clean sheet, but not to be.
That goal has certainly given them a lift and a glimmer of hope. What it hasn't given them is any more time. They're still up against it. He does read the game well. He beat him all ends up there. And here's a real chance. It's in!
Oh, this game never ceases to amaze you. How can you score in stoppage time?
The scoreline is becoming more and more emphatic. He's taken the defender on. They've won it then. The final whistle blows and they go through to the next round.
Twisted mechanism and fire. We're going full throttle to the grip. We're supersonic, so buckle up. Step in the fire of the fatal attraction. The opportunity comes once in a lifetime. Communication to a parallel dimension. You feel the power of the blessed empire. Step in the fire.